welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be making some like shadow boxes, if you will. So I've got some old signs from Frontierland. These are from the arcade and they've been on the wall for ages, and I just thought I'd like to make a deep frame for them and light them up. So that is what we are going to do. So I have another frame, so at the end of this I'll show you both of them, but for now we're just going to make the frame for this one and let's see how it goes. So I'm not going to do anything to this apart from wipe it after. I'm leaving all the scrapes in, everything, because it just shows its history and its age. And then once I've put it in the frame, I've got these little LED lights. So yeah, I've got my wood, and got my wood glue, got my nails, got my camera to film this, but guess what? No memory card. So there we are. So yeah, I'll cut some pieces and then I shall be back. So I've cut my wood. All I have to do is cut the trimming, but first I'm going to go and build the box. So I'll be using wood glue and then tiny little nails. So I always glue, can you see it, and then I fasten it with these tiny little tacks. So I've made the frame, I've checked that the sign fits, which it does. So now I'm going to go and cut this trimming to size and then put that round, and yeah, we're getting there. So I've cut all my pieces for my frame. I'm now going to glue these and then tack them on with these really teeny tiny tacks. So I've put the edging on now. I'm sure there's a posh name for it, but yeah, the frame bit. This is in no way at all perfect. It's wonky, it's crooked, you know, but I don't care because I made it. So you should always have a go at making something, because you'll appreciate it a lot more than a shop bought thing. What I've done is I just cracked on with it because it was really doing my nut in. So finished it, filled little bits, varnished it, and now I'm going to put the lights in it. So yeah, it isn't perfect, but like I say, don't care because I made it. So here are the finished products. That's the other sign I had. I'd already made that one about 2 weeks ago. But yeah, so these are from the old Frontierland site, and I just wanted to make them so they stood out a bit. And I didn't want to put colour light in this one because I wanted it to remind me of like when we used to go to Rosie O'Grady's in Florida. And yeah, but because this one has the transparent bit there, I thought that would really benefit from the light. So the lights cost me £7 on eBay, and you control it by your phone. So you can just change the lights to whatever colour you want. So there we go. So I'll show it later when it gets dark, because it's light now, so the camera's not showing the full effect. But so far I love what I've done, and it'll just keep them going a bit longer. And yeah, so now we've got to find somewhere to put them on the wall. I was thinking maybe there, but we shall see. We shall see. So here's my sign at night. How cool is it? Red, blue, that one yellow, green. It's ace, isn't it? Love it. Absolutely love it. And there's the other one. Absolutely love these. Made up with them. So the wood was, I think the wood was about £6 each for each frame, and then just some cheap lights. Awesome.